Always be listening. This week we're looking at the first step of the feedback flywheel, always be listening. And that's because the biggest challenge facing most firms is that they're just not getting enough data coming into their client insights program. When you look at this from a client journey perspective, you start to see what's happening. So our recent research said 83% of firms are challenged by not having enough data. But then when we dig down, only 60% of them are collecting feedback after a sales or BD pitch, after a matter is finished. Once we start looking at during the matter, the numbers get even lower. That makes sense from a traditional point of view because it's been a research process, so you batch it up and do it at certain points in time. But when you look at it from a client perspective, then all of a sudden it suggests, well, you're only interested in measuring my experience and confirming that what happened was what should have happened, rather than learning how do you improve the experiences, how do you meet my expectations, how do you understand my future needs. So when you shift from this research mindset to this signals mindset, you can be listening at all stages of the client journey. So you can see on there, I've got some examples of, you can be gathering market intel, client intel, you can have unsolicited feedback forms, you can be running short pulse surveys, you can be pulling in complaints data. There's lots of different ways that you can start to listen to client experiences and understand what's happening while you've still got time to do something about it. And that's when you become fully client-centric. We can actually show clients that you are listening to what they're saying and then doing something about it. If you only listen at the end, it's too late. So the tip for this week, always be listening at all stages of the client journey, and that includes encouraging unsolicited feedback.